so you need to search over the Google GitHub Student Developer Pack. Okay, so you need to just make sure that I'm already signed in here, but when the first time you will open this page, you will see a sign up button just here where it's written above the tweet icon. Okay, so this pack avails you these softwares for free and for almost for minimum 1 year. Okay, and then you just need to sign up from here. Let me just show you. If I just sign out, what should happen, and open, so you will see a sign up student developer pack here. So basically just sign up for it, and it will ask your institution, college or school details. Basically I just uploaded my in a, they ask for a document also because this pack is only for students. So in the documents I submitted the ID card, student ID request card for my college, and you can also submit the proof or receipt of your fee. Okay, so basically after just signing up, you will get an email like this. So they say that after a day, just after a day, they will email you that your account is verified. But in case you don't get any email, the next day you just go to this link here in the same email which I am showing here now to check the current status of your application. You just go up here and click on this link. Okay, so wait, let me just sign in and then show you. You need to be signed in here because you will also be signed up already. Okay, so after you click on this link, you will be able to see these things here. Okay, all you need to do is to click on get access by connecting uh, GitHub account on Canva. Okay, so when you click this, you will get Canva for free. Okay, so make sure the account you want to connect with for a free Canva Pro is here, and just click on claim offer. If you just claim your offer, you will get a free year of Canva Pro, and that's all. And that's all I wanted to share, and I hope this works for you. If it doesn't, the comment section is there for you to abuse me, and that's all. Thank you.